I'm Vince Montero, and your PPC tip of the week is on TACoS. Now that stands for total ACoS, not the food. Now while ACoS is calculated by dividing your PPC spend by your PPC sales, total ACoS is calculated by dividing your PPC spend by your total sales. When you're selling on Amazon, you really should be looking at your PPC spend as your marketing budget. It's really your cost of doing business on Amazon. So we do know that PPC also helps with organic ranking of keywords, which also then helps with sales. So you really want to look at your total ACoS metric versus just ACoS to get a better idea of how your ad spend is affecting your total revenues. So how do you calculate your TACoS? In Seller Central, go to your business reports and then download a report for a given time frame. And then you'll compare that to your results that you'll see in Campaign Manager. Or if you have ads, you simply go to the product level in Analytics and you'll find your total sales and TACoS here. For more information on ads, please visit helium10.com/tools/ads.